Hi, it's James here. Welcome to this quick video about how you can get your workshop software subscription for free. Yes, that's right. So what we've done is we get a lot of referrals, we get a lot of word of mouth from people, and that is awesome. And it's amazing that our user base grows so quickly by numerous methods, including we get a lot of clients from referrals, and we really want to appreciate that, and we really want to give you something back. So what we've done is in the latest update, if you go into your profile, what you'll actually see, if you scroll down, you'll see this referral code, right? If you can click on it and highlight it and copy it, or you could write it down, whatever. If you then email that off to your friend or to somebody you know, or that kind of thing, what they can do, they can enter in that referral code, and then your friend gets a referral discount, but so do you. So you actually get a referral fee, so to speak, but your friend also gets some money off their subscription to workshop software as well. So it's a win-win for both of you. So let's go and check out how that works. Okay, so what I've done now is I've actually logged in, and I'm as if I'm the new client, and I've got that referral code from you. So what I can do is if I go subscribe to workshop software, right, and I click that button to activate my account, what I can now do is put the referral code in, right? So if I do that, I put in my credit card information, all that sort of business, choose what subscription I'm on, and then I can enter in this referral code. So if I put that referral code, which is the referral code that was from you, for example, and I go activate, what happens is this customer will get $25 off their subscription, and you will also get $25 off your subscription. So it is a win-win for both of you. So it is literally that simple. If you want to email people that you know, that sort of thing, you can email them, you could text this code to them, talking to the phone, over the phone, you could just give them the referral code, whatever the case might be. If you want to refer a friend, give them that code, and it's a benefit for both of you, and we really appreciate it. And it's our way of saying thanks to all of those people that are already referring people, which is amazingly awesome, and we really appreciate it. So now you get some sort of benefit from it, which is awesome. Thanks for watching.